We'll guide you through how to make glitch text in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because glitch text effects are popular in modern video editing, especially for social media, YouTube intros, and gaming content. Many beginners want simple ways to create eye-catching visuals in Adobe Premiere Pro without advanced skills. So step-by-step guidance helps them quickly achieve professional-looking results and improve their editing creativity. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro by clicking the Windows Start button. Then type Adobe Premiere in the search bar. When it appears, click Open. Next, click New Project. Enter a project name that you prefer. After that, click Browse to choose the folder where the project will be saved. Then select your desired folder for the project storage location and click Select Folder. Once all settings are ready, click OK to create the project. After the project opens, move the cursor to the Type tool and click on it. Next, click anywhere on the panel and type the sentence you want to display. To create a glitch effect, click the icon with two arrows pointing to the right, then select Effects. In the search field, type VR Digital Glitch and wait for it to appear. Click and hold the effect, then drag it onto the text layer in the timeline. After applying the effect, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust its settings. Find the Master Amplitude option and click on it. Change the value to 100, then move the keyframe forward and change the value back to 0. Repeat this process several times depending on how long you want the glitch effect to last in your video. Finally, press the spacebar on your keyboard to preview the glitch effect and make sure it plays smoothly and matches your expectations. If the animation looks too fast, you can adjust the spacing between keyframes to slow it down. Similarly, if the effect feels too weak, you can increase the amplitude value slightly before returning it to 0. Make sure each keyframe transition is placed carefully along the timeline so the glitch appears at the right moments. This entire process allows you to create a simple, yet eye-catching glitch text effect using basic tools available in Adobe Premiere Pro. By following each step carefully, you can achieve consistent results and improve your video editing skills over time effectively.